Divas, it's Wanda from Wanda's Workbasket for all things creative and crafty with a little bit of inspiration mixed in. This is a was it worth it video. People have been asking me if I think the advent kits that I got for this Christmas for 2022 were worth it or not, and that's what I'm going to show you. That's what I'm going to show you today. I'm going to intersperse clips that you may have already seen from the openings. The first 12 were pre-recorded. The second 12 of the 24 were done live. So if you haven't seen all of the openings and you would like to see them all, please go to either the playlist for the recent ones, the first 12 in the where you normally jump in, and the second 12 are on the live. Click the live tab above. So first of all, I want to show you many of the crafty things that came with the crafty advent calendar that I purchased from Amazon. Some of them were cute, some of them were duds, and some of them were, what? For Christmas? Are you serious? A couple of them I already threw out. One or two did not get finished. But, so you probably know what I'm going to say about the crafty kit already. These are from the crafty kit. Like I said, I threw some out already. They just weren't worth it. There's a couple of them that I haven't done yet. The ones that needed to be painted, and the one that needs some glycerin in it for a real snow globe. I will get those done, but so far, I don't know. It didn't warn you that they gave you the low melt glue, but they didn't warn you not to use hot melt glue. It didn't tell you that one box labeled 25 had some of the ingredients in them, like the chenille sticks and things like that. It definitely was more, it was for a teenager type thing. I wouldn't go to anybody that like 8 or 10. Some very crafty 8 or 10-year-olds might be able to do it, but otherwise some would not. They definitely need supervision when you use the glue gun. They should have told you not to use the hot glue gun when you did the styrofoam ones, because absolutely they melted. Some of these are cute. I like this paper angel, the folded paper angel, and the little pots are cute. They really are. The little reindeer here. The trees are cute. They're neat. I like this little one, the little popsicle ornament. This was pretty cheesy. And the mica flakes are all over the place. They get everywhere. That one's not going to last. This one was, it was alright, but it's okay. It would go on a children's tree very easily. All of them would, actually. And a little snowman was cute. That was cute. And a little, I guess in the UK they call them gonks, a gnome. That was adorable. I have no idea why a dream catcher would be put in the kit. No idea. It was a nice little idea, though. I like the rawhide. I don't like the pink inside. But, like I said, I don't think that, and the price and everything is all linked down there, down at the bottom. So, like I said, I don't think that I would get this one again. I don't think that they're made for the age of children that is listed. I think you need to use parental supervision for some of them, especially when it comes to a glue gun. And I don't think all the projects were worth it. I mean, one of them, if you look back and see one of them that was a pretend snow globe with like sea creature things in it and glitter, it was awful. Absolutely awful. That got chucked before it was even finished. So I don't think I'm going to get the crafty kit again next year. I'm going to stick to other kits. I really loved the Happy Planner stickers for Christmas. I love that. I am going to get that again if they offer it again next year. I think it was worth it. It was stickers that some of them were not, you're not able to find them in their in their regular sticker kit. Some of them yes, some of them no. So some of them were new. I want to show you, these came in the Diamond Art Club box. I'll bring it in a bit. These came in the Diamond Art Club box, and they were nice. They're really nice. It doesn't tell you how much how much of the thread you should use, but they came all in one kit. They're double-sided. They're very nice little ornaments, and I'm going to dip all of these ornaments in Minwax polycrylic, because that, I love that for keychains and ornaments and stuff like this, where you dip them in twice and let them drip down, and they're beautiful. They're really beautiful. It holds a solid, hard finish, and the gems don't come out off that way, and it does not dilute the sparkle. So the Diamond Art Club one, it was pricey, again linked below in the description. It was pricey, but I do believe I'd get that one again. I will for the use of opening them on YouTube. I think that was wonderful. And each individual thing you got made sense. It was its own little contained kit, and I think the price was worth it. There were some very unique things in there that you didn't get anywhere else. So yes, those are the three in one package. Three. You got stickers, which I gave to my granddaughter. You got diamond painting pens. You got a little project that was a unicorn, Christmas unicorn. You got another full project. And you got little things like this, which I thought was wonderful. Absolutely wonderful. So yes, I would get the Diamond Art Club Advent Calendar Kit again. I'll put these to the side. And the Cateared kit. Now, oh okay, I wanted to show you these two yet. These came in the children's kit. And the thing is, the drills didn't, the children's crafty kit, the drills did not come in the same opening as the diamond painting, so you didn't know what to do with them. If you didn't know what diamond painting was, you wouldn't know. These are single-sided. You see the color on the other side, but you don't drill on it. You only drill on the one side. So, and I will use these as ornaments. I will dip them and harden them. Another grouping, back to the cat-eared ones. I would do that one again. I think the price is good for the things you get. It might seem a little pricey, but till you understand that she did it on her own. She procured the boxes. She procured each and everything that went into the kit, and loaded the kits, mailed the kits. The objects that were in it were worth it. And the only thing that I would change is the kit came with 3 of the items just labeled with a number, not wrapped, not packaged, not anything. I realized that those 3 things would be empty in the kit, but you know, the little boxes that were labeled with the number would be empty and replaced by one of these bigger things that she wanted to put in there. That's alright with me, but I would have wrapped each individual thing, those 3 things that didn't fit in the boxes, I would have wrapped them individually. so that you could tell. But I will get Cateared again next year if she offers it. The next one I wanted to talk about was the Diamond Painting Factory kit. Again, I would get it for the site, you know, for YouTube to open them together. I want to show you these little guys that came in the Diamond Painting Factory kit. One thing I did not like was getting a single green tray in one of the days. That was a little ridiculous, especially since we have tons and tons of those already. It had a diamond painting toolkit, one of the cheap ones that we already get, in a separate one, and it had these little Nomeo things, these little gonks, in separate, 5 different separate openings, and the drills were in a completely separate box. Now I understand you can't get it all in a box, but put a little note in there saying drills in a different box, you know, under a different number. These are double-sided, so I do think they're worth it. They all came with a hook, a keychain hook, but I'm not using those. I'm using these as ornaments. This one, you had to poke, sometimes you had to poke through the hole that didn't come open, and I poked a little too hard on this one and broke the hole at the top. So I'm going to file that off and maybe use it as a gift tag or something else. But I will dunk it in the Minwax polycrylic. And the only thing that I have a problem with these acrylic ones is that you don't see, one side is flush up against the paper, where when you put the drill down it's exactly on it, and whoops, now I popped that completely off. That's why I want to do the Minwax. Where did it go? Where do it go? Oh, it's under here somewhere. I'll find it. Before I poly it, I'll find it. Maybe it decided to go wherever the wherever the camera chip went. Anyway, they are double-sided. The opposite side, the paper is a little far away from the surface, so to put these down on that side of it, you always have an optical illusion as to where you're putting it unless you do it like right up against it. So that could be a little bit of a problem in getting it right on the money, on the little circle for the opposite side. There's a scientific term for it, and my husband knows it, but I don't. But yes, I would do these again. I would do the Diamond Painting Factory. It came with coasters. It came with other projects that I thought were worth the money in the diamond painting area. It is a little pricey, but I really think that I would do it again. Again, they're going to be dunked, and they're going to be used as tree ornaments. The last grouping I want to show you, and I'll pull you out to see it, is all the cutie nutcrackers. Again, the link is below. These came from a diamond painting company. There are 24 of them. They're all marching to their own drummer. There's 4 of each of 5. Does that mean there are 25 of them? No. 4, 8, 12, 16, 24. Yeah. Yeah. 6 different kinds. I think they were worth it. I did one a day. And again, they all came with the keychain hook. But I'm not going to use the keychain hooks for this. I'm going to use them as ornaments. Or give them to my daughter to use as ornaments. She loves nutcrackers. And I'll dip them in the polycrylic so that they're nice and hard. They are one-sided. I got them from Amazon. They were inexpensive, and I really like these. These are really pretty for ornaments. I would do them again for sure. Maybe in a different type of item here, like maybe snowman or something else. I'm going to use these, the hooks, on my junk journals. So I'm going to, reuse them to hook on the charms for my junk journals. I think that's a great use for these. I'm not going to waste them at all. All right, well, I think that kind of wraps up the advent calendars, what I thought of the advent calendars and the things I used and whether it was worth it or not. You have to make up your own mind whether the money would be worth it for you to get those things. Don't forget to like and subscribe so that YouTube knows that you like diamond painting videos and recommends my channel to other people who like diamond painting videos. It helps me out a little bit, and that costs absolutely nothing. Click the little bell at the bottom so that you are aware of when I go live and when the next videos come out. I do plan on going live this coming year on Tuesday nights. We had so much fun doing live videos for the advent calendars. I want to continue that. Meet more of you in our Workbasket family. I can't wait to share more goodies and more kits, more things with you in the coming year, and more laughs in the chats. And I hope you had a blessed Christmas, and I hope you have a beloved New Year, prosperous and healthy and fun, joyful New Year. Bye, Divas.